Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing. I said we're unboxing We Blessing. This is a monthly styling subscription. They do your whole family, but this is their children's. What you do is when you want to sign up, you go onto their site and you fill in a long style profile that asks you the age, sizes, your name, then patterns you like, colors you like, things you won't wear, styles of clothing. What is your style? And they go through like trendy, diva, you know, all that kind of stuff. Very fancy, very formal, very casual. And then they offer shoes. So, and then they actually have somebody go out and shop for you. So then once you do that, you pay $8 for shipping, and then they ship you the box. So so far that's all you pay for. Then they send you the box, and you have 10 days to decide what you want to keep. Keep as much or as little as you'd like. If you keep everything, you get a 10% discount. And then you just pay for what you keep. So we have already done this video. I know, the diva cat's in the room. We've already made this video, so we know what's in here. I made it, and then technical difficulty. So we're remaking the video. But this is a really cool box. I hope I didn't forget to tell you guys anything. Yeah, so it's 4 outfits. I don't know if I said that. They're all based on your style. You'll have 10 days. They do have a referral program. So if I think you get like a $50 credit or something if your friend signs up. So when you open it up, it was really, by the way, it was packaged really well. It was like all wrapped up. I have pictures. I'm going to link to my full blog review below where we'll do a try on and all that stuff. If you're interested in that, I'll link to it. I'll also link to We Blessing so you can check them out. But everything was wrapped in a really pretty like tissue paper. You get a return. This is addressed already and ready to return for any items you're not going to keep. Here's a thank you. And then this is our pricing. So we'll look at that at the end.
We'll just get rid of some of
all right. Aww. It's just a little thank you. Okay. So I'm going to let you take out the outfits one by one.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Yahoo! So first we have
peach. I think it's spaghetti strap, right? Oh, I put it backwards.
Well, it's braided spaghetti straps.
Yeah. So
this is a tank top from Old Navy.
It's peach, and it comes with peach.
I hold it up to myself.
Flower.
It is a very summery, flowery skirt. These are both from Old Navy. So this is one of our outfits, and it's really cute, right? Oh, I think that's very you. All right. So next we have
these cool shorts.
Yes. These are from Blue Spice. I've never heard of that brand before. They have like a little distressed spots on them, which I think is cool. Very trendy. So this is a midi short, by the way. I don't know anything about shorts, like what kind of short a short is. It's a short. The short kind of shorts. And then it goes with this cool DKNY top. So it's like oversized, which is really popular right now. And then it has like cool stripes. And then the back is really neat. Do you like the back? I love the back. It's like twisted here. And then it's got like the little open spots. So it's like got a little bit of flair, but there's nothing inappropriate. It's very like, it fits, you know, an 8-year-old body. You know, there's nothing that I would say was inappropriate.
We have these cool workout time.
Yeah.
And look.
Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah. So these are like little yoga pants. Aren't they adorable?
If I was still in gymnastics, I could wear them every Monday.
And this is from 90 Degree by Reflex.
And then it comes with this cool orange t-shirt. And I love the t-shirt.
Yes, and it's like that lightweight wicking fabric. And this is from Ideology. And then our final item,
which was the first one last time.
Yes, we're kind of going backwards. Did you notice that? Yeah. This is from Japna Kids. This is look, it's like a tea party dress. How? It says, look at the front though. This panel is so pretty. And the back has a little strap that you can tie.
Wait, can I do this for all the outfits now? Can I do this?
No.
Please?
No, we're not doing that. Okay, so So there is that, and that's really pretty. So which one is your favorite?
I like the working outfit.
Okay, so if you want to do your thing, you can while I tell them the prices. Crazy
I'm
train.
doing splits.
All right, come on. All right, so here in this is like your checkout form. And this just goes over the process and how it works and what you're going to pay for. Oh, cool. So you would actually return this with your order, and then you would circle yes for anything that you're going to keep. So now I don't know if you have to buy the whole outfit or if you just like a top or something. Maybe that it works like that. So for the Japna Kids bubblegum, the dress, the pink dress with the panel, that is $36, but they do offer 40 to 60% off retail prices, so you would pay $15. For this Ideology shirt, can we fold them to put them back in? And the pants, this shirt is $19.50 and the pants are $38. We would actually pay $9 and $16 for the DKNY top and the Blue Spice distressed denim jeans. The top is $22 and then the jeans are $34. We would only pay $10 and $14, which is a really good deal. Oh, wow. That's great.
I've been doing it.
I know, you're doing great. You're a great model.
No.
All right, so then finally we have the Old Navy outfit. The top is $14.94 at Old Navy and $19.94 for the skirt. We would pay $6 for the top and $9 for the skirt. And like, what do you like all these clothes?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite outfit?
The gymnastics one.
Oh, the workout outfit. And like I said, I really like as a parent that they're sending kids that are kid appropriate. So often you go out in public and you see kids wearing things that are way too adult. And when you're 8, you've got to be 8, right? Have a seat. So I love that about this subscription. I also like that you only have to pay the $8 shipping until you decide on what you want to keep. This is great for back to school, replenishing. Oh my goodness, this is my life. Summer and winter wardrobes. So that is everything that we received in our wee blessing. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.